Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to add a flash message to the contact form we created before. So here is our application. I have opened this application in the PHP store and I have searched and find this components in the talentcomponents.com. I'm going to use this one here, the last one. And one more thing, we are going to use Alpinejs to auto hide the flash message. Okay, so go to the github.com and alpinejs/alpine. I'm going to use with cdn. Okay, copy this line here and open the welcome blade. And I'm going to add it here. Okay, now I show the code here and I'm going to find the last one we have. Okay, last one. Yeah, here's this one. Successful operation. Yeah. Okay, copy this one and we need to add this in the contact form blade here. I'm going to add it just before the send message and refresh now to check what we have. Yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to change the BG to be blue 900 and the text to be blue 300 and maybe here the text to be blue 200. Okay, and refresh. Yeah, I think it's okay now. And I'm going to remove the X button because we are going to hide with Alpinejs. So when we have the button here, go and remove this. Refresh. Yeah, now it's okay. I'm going to open the contact form class and I'm going to open in the right, on the left we have the contact form blade. So here in the contact form class, we go after the reset. I'm going to add the session flash and I'm going to give a name of message sent. And in the blade I'm going to check if we have a session. So if session has and that name we added message sent, display this one. Okay, and if here and come here, refresh. Yeah, we don't see. Okay, now if we try and send an email here, so test add.test. Okay, just some random here and send the email. And yeah, we clear the form and show the message here. And if I open that, yeah, we have sent the email. Okay, but we add the hard-coded message here. So if you come here, yeah, I'm going to display a message from here. So I'm going to message send, and here now we need to add the session and message send. Okay, come here and refresh and try again. Okay, send. And yeah, now we have the message sent. Okay, now I want to use the Alpinejs. Okay, so here in the div, in the root div, I'm going to do x data is going to be open to true by default, and you can find this, so you can use here. You have some documentation here in the GitHub repository. Okay, and after that I'm going to x show if the open is true. This is going to show this div, otherwise it's going to hide. And if I come here and refresh and test again, okay, send, and yeah, we have the message sent, and we have the emails. I'm gonna clear, yeah, but now I want to hide the message, and I'm going to work with x init, like this run an expression when a component is initialized. So when this is rendered here, is run the expression. Okay, and I'm going to add it here. X init is going to be a JavaScript set timeout, and we are going to add a anonymous function here, and it's going to change the open to true after 3 seconds. Okay, so open is going to be false after 3 seconds. And come here, refresh, and try again. Send, and yeah, we have the message. We clear the form and we hide the message again after 3 seconds. You can choose maybe 2 seconds if you want. And I'm going to do one more thing here. So if we go to the show method, we have a transition, and I'm going to add this one. So copy this one and add it here. Transition duration. Okay, and try again. Okay, send. We have the message here, and yeah, but it's very quick, the transition. I'm going to change this to 1 second. Okay, refresh, try again for the last time maybe. Yeah, send, and yeah, this is nice, and I think we are okay now. How we can add a flash message to our contact form. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.